Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you are all doing great today. Thank you all for your likes. I thank you for your comments. I thank you for your subscriptions as well. For today's tutorial, it's all about how we can avoid greasy and oily skin. So on my left hand side of my face, I mean to say that side of my face, I actually did the prep and prime and all those good steps that we have to do in order for our makeup to stay much more longer. And on this right side of my face, I actually went there like barely nothing. Like I put all the product on my bare skin apart from my eyes, that kind of prep. So in order for you to be able to have this perfect like non-greasy face, like I said, this side I did everything we're supposed to do, and on this side I did nothing. If you want to see how I achieve this, please do continue watching. If you like this video, could you please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, could you please subscribe. And
so the primer that I'll be using today is by NYX. It's called the Shine Killer. I use that to prep half of my face, and I make sure I apply it on top of my brow bone in order for me to be able to control the shine that I normally experience in that part of my face.
So as you can all tell, I only prep half of my face, and the video today, it's all about avoiding that greasy and oily look after a while, you know. So in order for you to be able to avoid that, it is very advisable for you to use a matte finishing foundation, matte finishing powder, and as we continue in this video, you will see the rest of it.
The foundation that I'll be using today is by Maybelline. It's the 24 hours non-transferable foundation, and I apply that all over my face, and I pick up the e.l.f. setting powder in sheer. I use that to set half of my face. Remember, I only set half of my face. As you can tell, the other side I didn't set it, and I set the other side. And so I went off the camera and applied the rest of my makeup. I came back to spray the setting spray, also by NYX. I'll put the names of the product that I used down below in my description box.
So this is the concluding look. Don't forget, this makeup is not about how you can create this eyeshadow look. No, it's about how we can avoid this greasy and oily skin after several hours of wearing your makeup. So on this side of my face, which is my left side, I did all the prep and prime and all that good stuff to this side, and on this side I just went ahead and applied all my makeup on my bare skin without any kind of prep and prime. So I'm gonna go about doing my stuff. Today is Saturday. I have a lot of errands to do here and there, so I'm gonna go ahead and do everything that I want to do. Then I will come back on camera for you guys to be able to see if this side remain matte and if this side is oily or not. I want you to take a note of something on this, my brow bone right here on top of it. I apply a primer there because I always have that problem every time. This side is always greasy after a while. On this side, I did not apply anything on my brow bone, so I really want to see if this will work for me. This is my first time trying it on the camera for real. So I'm gonna go ahead and do everything that I have to do. Then I will come back for you guys to see if this works. So stay tuned, and I will see you all next when I come back. Okay, bye y'all. So this is the concluding part of this video. So remember, on the side, this is the side I prep and prime and I did all the good steps that we're supposed to do in order for our makeup to stay in place without moving around. And this side is that side that I just went ahead and slapped everything into my bare skin without using any kind of primer or prep or whatsoever. So I've had this makeup on for like 6 hours, from 2 to 8. I went about doing all my stuff that I needed to do for this weekend, Saturday, and I'm back on the camera to show you. I don't know if you can see the difference, but I can actually see it because this side of my face is getting oily and greasy, and you can tell my brow bone on top of here is becoming shining. Like from this side I can tell, and this side is still matte because this is the side we actually did all the steps that we needed to do in order for our makeup to stay in place. So give me comments down below. Let me know what you think about this. Do you really see a difference or not? Let me know, because I can really tell. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but I can see it. By the way, I changed my lip gloss because I went about eating and drinking, and I ended up messing the one that I had on, messing it up. I said whatever, I'll just change the lip color anyway. So this video is not about the lip color. So please let me know what you think about this video. Please leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and thank you all for watching, and stay blessed and God bless you all.